Morning everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, grade 5 today we are going to start with our next chapter 2, that is operation on large numbers. In this chapter we are going to learn about the addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Okay, so how to add the large numbers we will going to study it. Okay, let us start with the addition of large numbers. Let us understand about the concept of addition of large numbers. While adding two or more numbers, we have to follow the given steps. Firstly, we have to arrange the digits of the numbers in the correct columns. Okay, like in place value chart we have to arrange them. Then in the step 2, add the digit in each column, carry over if required. Okay, we have to start from the ones column, then continue adding the digits in all the columns. Let us take an example. We have one example. We have to add 3 crores 48 lakh 75,261 and 2 crores 75 lakh 3,694. Okay, we will add it them. The numbers that we are adding up, that numbers are known as addends. Okay, and the result of that addends are known as sum. So we will firstly write these two numbers according to their place values. Okay, so if we see in the ones column, if we will start adding from the ones column, 1 and 4 5, then tens column we will go 6 plus 9 15. So 5 is written under tens column and 1 is carry over to the 100 columns. Then we will add all these numbers together. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9 written under the hundreds column. Then 5 plus 3 8. Then in 10,000 column if we see 7 plus 0 7. Lakhs column 8 plus 5 13. 3 is written under lakhs column and 1 is carry over to the tens lakh column. 1 plus 4, that is 5. 5 plus 7 12. 2 is written here and 1 is carry over to the next column, that is crore column. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. Okay, so this way our answer will be 6 crore 23 lakh 78,955 and we call it as sum. So what are the properties of addition? When we talk about the properties of addition, numbers, the first property is numbers can be added in any order, the sum remains the same. That is known as the order property. That order property is saying that we can add numbers in any order, their sum, their result will remain the same. Then second property is saying adding 1 to any number give the next number. Okay, so when we add any in any number 1, we will get the next number. Like if we add 1 in 3, so 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, so we will get the next number, that is after 3 4 will come. Okay, now the third property is adding 0 to any number gives the same number. Okay, if we add 0 to any number, it will give us the same number. Like we have 10,000. When we add in 0 in 10,000, we will get 10,000 only. Okay, the numbers to be added are called addends and the result is known as sum. Okay, now we will talk about the subtraction of the large number. How to subtract the large number? We have to follow the following step for subtracting the large number. First step, you have to arrange the given number in the correct column, such as always keep the bigger number on the top. So firstly you have to arrange the numbers that is given to you in the correct columns, like in the place value chart we have doing it, and that the number which is the biggest number, okay, we should write it on the top, and the number that is the lowest we will write in under the biggest number, right? So step 2 is start to subtract the digit from the rightmost column, that is from the ones column. Step 3 is do regrouping by borrowing 1 from the next column if required. If we see our number is smaller, then we will borrow from the next column. Okay, let us take an example and do the following question. Subtract 4 crores 89 lakh 56,395 from 7 crores 31,24,621. Okay, let us do the following example. Okay, let us write according to that their place values. Okay, if we see a number, the first number, the biggest number is known as minuend, and the smaller number is known as subtrahend, and the result of these subtraction is known as difference. Okay, so let's solve the example. In the ones column, in the first number 1 is written, in the second number 5 is written. So 1 is smaller than 5. What we have to do, we have to borrow 1 from the next column. So we will make 1 as 11, and then we will subtract 5 from 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Then we will cut the number 2 in the next column, that is in tens column, because we have given our one number to the ones column. So what we have cut, and we will make it 1. We cannot subtract 1, we cannot subtract 9 from 1, because as 9 is the bigger number and 1 is the smallest number. What we have to do, we have to make it 11 by borrowing 1 from the next column. So 11 minus 9, 2. Then we will cut 6, we will make it 5, because we have given 1 to the tens column. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Then in the thousand column we will make it 14, that is 14 minus 6, 8. Then cut it down, then make it 11. Okay, 11 minus 5, 6. Then we will cut this number 1, we will make it 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Then we will cut 3, we will make it 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Then we will cut it, then make it 6. 6 minus 4, 2. So the number is 2,41,68,226. that is known as the difference. What are the properties of subtraction? While subtracting 1 from a number, the difference is the previous number. Okay, next is 0. Subtracting from a number does not affect the number, that is the difference is the number itself. Subtracting a number from itself gives the difference as a 0. The number from which we subtract is called minuend, and the number which is subtracted is called subtrahend, and the result of the subtraction is called difference. Thank you and have a nice day.